the problem with the fight game is you get too many fucking pauses, too many bullshitters. So the fight with Dean Lynch, Fraud, is now not on. I will be fighting on the show still to sort me another opponent out. Jim and Joe won't leave me high and dry like that. They don't operate that way. They run the show professionally. But Dean Lynch, Fraud, has decided that he is filming some film that they're coming out. He's not only a professional bare knuckle boxer, he's a fucking movie star. So he's doing some filming or something, which is why he can't fight. I've commented on one of his Instagram posts explaining that the reason why you're not fighting is because you know I'm going to fucking knock you out live on TV. Now, yeah, I'm gutted. I'm absolutely gutted. I've put so much into this. But, you know, like I say, being a fighter, being someone who's trained as hard as I have, I'll fight whoever they put in front of me. It won't make a difference to me. You know, I don't pick and choose who I'm fighting. I will fight anyone. And unlike Dean Lynch, Fraud, I'm not here just to like, build numbers up and get YouTube followers or anything. As you can see, I'm pissed off. I'm wounded. I'm absolutely wounded. I've put a lot into this. You know, adapted to his style of how I was going to work on it. But now everything's going to change. But it is what it is, and you know, it's the fight game at the end of the day. You know, sometimes things go to plan, sometimes things don't, and unfortunately, the Fraud has proved himself this time. You know, it is what it is. But like I say, I'm still fighting. I'm still on the show, so I'm still going to be pushing myself hard in the gym and pushing forward. It's 5 weeks on Sunday. So I've told those who have bought tickets, and you know they're still happy to come, and you know I can't thank them enough for that. So like I said, the show's going ahead. I will be on the show. Don't know who I'm fighting yet. I'll probably find out in the next few days. But it's not Dean Lynch Fraud, because that's all he is. Let's face it, guys. He is a fraud. He's you know, he's notorious for it now, and hopefully this time, you know, he's been exposed even bigger for what he actually is and who he actually is, because he ain't no professional fighter like he's put on his Instagram page, professional bare knuckle boxer. Nah, mate, he ain't no professional bare knuckle boxer, because there's nothing professional about the way he operates. So, like I say, it is what it is. Thanks, guys, and I'll keep you posted.